about the nation. In this nation, there are 11 southern states, former Confederate states: Virginia, Georgia, South Carolina, Tennessee, Mississippi, Alabama, Texas, Georgia, Florida. Those states, most of them were covered by the Voting Rights Act. They're not covered now with Section 5, which means the legislatures can pass anything they want, and we only get to fight them in court. But that is after the laws have suppressed the vote. Now, what does that mean? What does it mean if you control 11 states, 11 southern states, and you run for president? It means you get 160 electoral votes. That means you only need 112 electoral votes from the other 39 states. If you can control 11 southern states, where I'm from, you control 22 seats in the United States Senate, which means you only need 4 from the other 39 states to control the Senate. If you can control those 11 states, you control 31% of the United States Congress, which means you only need 20% from the other 39 states. You control 11 governors who control boards of election. I'm here to tell you, if we are concerned about America, we better be concerned about the Southern strategy and